buhulanong ka na dyan. Nandito ngayon ang apo ko. Yun. Lalaro siya doon. Hey Shelly. What are you doing there? You want to help Daddy Lo? Huh? Where's your shovel? You should get your shovel. You should get your shovel. We don't have my small one. Yeah. It's like a shovel too, your boats. Lots of room. Hurry up. Hurry up, buhulanong ka na dyan. Go there, okay, ride. Yeah, go ahead.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Try.
Just
Push hard.
No.
I told you, eh? You've learned how to push. Push. Use the pedal, you know. There. Now you know. Okay. Hurry up, baby.
Oh my God!
Keep going, keep going.
No!
Keep going. Ayan, mga buhulanong ka na dyan. Marunong na siya. Si Grace ano. You want me to adjust the seats because it's too low for you, you know. Okay, let's go back. I have to adjust the seats. Plano ka na dyan. Okay, here. One. Point that way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you miss. Okay, one more. Here, hit the ball. Okay, there. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you miss. Wait. Again. Another try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you miss. The house. Look at that. Say hi to your viewers. Buhulanong ka na dyan. Hey. Say hi. Come on. She's in the house. Buhulanong ka na dyan. Look at that. Oh my God. Are you happy? Hey. Let's go for run. Ha? Yan, buhulanong ka na dyan. Bumaba na naman. Say hi. Good.
Go your shape.
Inside, baby, what's inside? Yeah, open it, open. Hello mga kanadyan. It's inside. What's that? Open mga kabulanong kanadyan. Yan, unboxing. Tripod. Oh, it's a tripod. Oh. Yan. With the Android, yeah. Instruction. Yeah.